Okay, folks, I wanted to get some intro videos out there on who Brainy Smurf is. So Brainy Smurf is a family business. It's a family business for us. What we do is we do investments. We only do our own investments. So if you're looking for us to invest money for you, we do not invest money for other people. You might ask, is Brainy Smurf financial advisors, financial planners? We are not certified financial advisors, not certified financial planners. But we will show you and we will teach you different investments that you can look at, mostly in your 401k, how to max out your 401k. So we show you some of the loopholes in 401k programs, show you how you can maximize gains out of those and minimize loss. So that's mainly what this channel is about. As far as Brainy Smurf's main business is looking for foreign investments. So we'll do a lot of research while we're here in the States. If we see something that looks appealing to us, we will actually travel to the countries that we want to invest in. We'll look at their local economy. We'll talk to some of the local people there, get a good feel for the economy, get a good feel for the investment prospects, and then make our decision from there. So that's our main job. But this channel is not really going to focus on foreign investments. It's mainly about focusing on how to maximize your 401k. So this video series is going to have 3 parts to explain who Brainy Smurf is. This is the end of part 1.